Welcome to CAD/CAM Legend. In this small clip, I have a trick that I should discuss with you people, that is about the vertical separator, and I will show you how can you use that and what the purpose of using the vertical separator in between your title. Okay, so let me show an example to you people. For example, I search in the rapid text generator for the how to make a bolt in crew parametric, and I just put a vertical separator. Now if you look at the keyboard, let me open my keyboard right now. So here you must press the shift key and hold down the shift key, and you will click this vertical separator, because if you don't press the shift key and hold down, so you will get the lower result. But when you press the shift key and then press this tab, so you will get a result like this vertical separator, like this. So this means your title is completely different. Now this is a single entity and this is a single entity. It's mean you will find completely the different text. Okay, if for example I don't put any of the vertical separator and now I just search for the text, so see here you will not see any of the related term that is related with Pro E. Remember one thing, when I just put the vertical separator by shift key and hold down the vertical separator, and let me just write down the Pro E, and again let me search for, now see here you will see that the terms must be included, the terms Pro E, right? So this is really important for you people to know about the vertical separator. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel.